back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Hi everyone, today's show is going to be Brussels sprouts, garlic, and butter, show number 206. We have olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic, pepper, as well as onion powder. I have the pan getting hot, so this is a pretty quick, simple side dish, or after you taste it you might say it's so good you want to make a meal out of it. It's a little time consuming with the Brussels sprouts, so you want to get started with your butter and olive oil. Now the reason you use butter and oil together is that butter has a low temperature to burn, where oil, it has to be hotter before it burns. So you just mix the two together, the oil and the butter, and then your butter doesn't burn. Let that sit. And put in some pepper. Putting in some onion powder. Putting in some garlic powder. Holding on the salt to a little bit later. I have my Brussels sprouts and my garlic. For the garlic, I'm using 3 cloves. The Brussels sprouts, you have to cut them up. There's no easy way to do this. I'm just going to cut the top, the bottom, and then just roll off the outside. Once I roll off the outside, I get to some good material, and then I can just cut them up a couple of times and throw them in. So I'm going to do this fast now. Now, for the sake of time, let's skip ahead a little bit. I can do some more of these in a few minutes. Salt. I'm using sea salt. It's larger. It's not as strong. For garlic, when I got my order, I knocked the ends off these. And then I just throw them in this little thing and take the wax paper off them, like that. Throw the wax paper away. I've already knocked the ends off, so I don't have to do that. Just basically smash it up. You don't want to cut the garlic for this recipe. You want to leave this garlic whole like this, because you don't want it to burn. You basically want it to season what you're doing here. That would be a good one for the blooper reel. Hit it with a knife and it went flying. Too bad I don't have a dog. I'd like to see the dog grab that and see the look on his face. Knowing my dog, he would eat it too. My dog shared a passion with me. He loved food. Throw the lid on them. Let them cook. Unfortunately, about 25 minutes. Kind of slow, medium. Brussels sprouts are all done. We just need to put a little final touch on them. I have some thyme that I like to put on at the end. I have some lemon juice that I'm going to swish them around in. That was about 1/3 of a cup. Don't worry about the measurements, so just go to my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com. You'll see these measurements. Here's some mayonnaise. Just like that. And this is a great side to go with things like the meatloaf that I'm going to make next. Just smells delicious. Unreal. How good it smells. Just serve this up. There we go. Look at that. That's delicious. It smells good. That's the show today. Thanks for watching.